Hey friends, welcome back to Chronically Overdressed. So I recently placed yet another order with eShakti. I know, shocker, right? But this time I did the fabric customization for one of my dresses. And I've used this option before and I absolutely love it, but I thought that I would give you guys a rundown on how it works, how to do it, and the best way to kind of navigate the website to figure it all out. It can be a little confusing at first, but once you get it down, it's really simple, and it is such a great way to truly customize your eShakti items. So let's get to it. So the fabric customization option on eShakti it's a really interesting concept, and I think they took it away for a little while, and then they just kind of recently brought it back. And I'm so glad they did, because I've done it before and I really liked how everything turned out. I talked about it a little bit in my last video where I kind of show you how I create my eShakti dresses and make them look a little bit more vintage style. But this time I really want to delve fully into the fabric customization to show you exactly how it works and how to do it on their website. So the fabric customization option is essentially just a way to find a style of, dress or skirt or top. And if you don't like the fabric that it's being offered in, you can switch out the fabric, and you go to a special section on their website where you can kind of, put them side by side. So you can see the design that you want, and then you look for the particular fabric that you want to switch out. And you can still customize the item exactly the way you want. So you can still customize the sleeve length, the hem length, the collar. You can add puff sleeves. And I will show you exactly how to do that. I've gotten a lot of questions about where it is to do that. So I'll show that to you as well. So you can just really truly customize the item that you want. So there's a couple of different ways that you can do the fabric customization, and I highly recommend having a little piece of paper where you can write notes, because I will say that the fabric customization section isn't searchable. So if you're looking for a particular item number or anything like that, you can't really search for it. But it's good to have the actual style number written down. So when you're looking through and you like that style, you can make a note that this is the style that I like. And then if you're looking through and you like a certain fabric, again, write it down on a piece of paper, just so you know that you're looking at the right one. Because again, when you're in the fabric customization, you can't actually open up the picture and really look at the fabric close up. You need to do that outside in the regular search, the little search part of the website. So it's going to take a little bit of time and effort on your part, but again, just write down the style number and it'll be much easier that way. Let's just get right into it. It's pretty simple. I'm going to show you. I'm going to share my screen with you so you can see exactly how I'm doing it as it goes along. All right, I'm going to show you the first way that you can do your fabric customization. I do find this to be the easiest way. So I'm going to go ahead and go under dresses. And I'm going to go to shirt dress because I know that that is the style that I had already chosen. And I'm going to scroll down to find the dress. So here's the dress that I chose. I like this style dress. It is a gorgeous shirt dress. It has these beautiful front pockets, but I'm not a huge fan of paisley, so I do want to change out the fabric. So I find that easier to kind of choose your style first. But it's really good idea, like I said, to write down either the styles or different fabrics that you have that you've looked through, and because it'll make it a lot easier to choose those when you go to customize it. So we're going to go here to customize fabric, and this gives us all of the options that go with this type of fabric. So this is I believe, a cotton woven. So it gives me all of the choices that I have for this particular style. So I'm going to scroll down, and you can see you've got a lot of options here. Some of the options, like the cotton jerseys, don't have as many options because most of them are just kind of the plain colors. There's not a lot of patterns to choose from. But doing it this way, you know that you are choosing the right fabric for the right design. So I am going to scroll all the way down because I believe my option is farther down the list here. And okay, so this is the fabric that I have chosen. And again, you can't really tell what the what the style looks like, but if you hover over it, you'll see this is the item number. So if you've written that down on your little piece of paper, you know that you've chosen the right one. So I'm going to go ahead and select this fabric. So you can see off to the side here, we have your chosen design and your chosen fabric. And then you just click here to select fabric and proceed. This way you can see them side by side, and you can actually see a little bit more close up what the fabric looks like, and then of course what your design looks like. So this is the shirt dress, and you can see it's got these, the front pockets and the shawl collar, but you can still customize it exactly the way you want. So I chose, it actually didn't need customization for me because I like the shawl collar, I like the short sleeved, and it was already at a mid-calf length. So I just went ahead and select the style, and then you just do your sizing and you hit add to cart. It's as simple as that. So the second way is to just simply go all the way down to the bottom of the website, and you'll find the fabric customization down here. And this is just where you can pull up, if you want a dress, top, jumpsuit, pant, or skirt, you are going to choose your fabrics. So again, if you chose a cotton woven, these are the only options that you can choose from. You can't mix and match. So if you found a cotton knit, you can't choose a crepe poly fabric. You can't kind of cross over into the different designs and fabrics. So you just scroll through and you find the style that you like and choose that design, and then you can choose whatever fabric. Now I will say that these the cotton wovens, you have a little bit less to choose from. It's mostly just different colors. It's not necessarily any prints on these, but you can choose the different colors and either choose like a cotton jersey or just a cotton knit. So if we wanted to do that fabric, and it's the same process. You just go through, you can change your neckline, sleeve type, length, and choose your sizing, and just add to cart. Okay, so I'm going to show you real quick on how to add the special instructions like puff sleeves, or whether you want a, like a zipper moved maybe from the side or to the back. So you're going to do this within your kind of checkout your cart section, and it's right here. So it says, if you have special instructions for us, be sure to mention them. Sometimes this little guy is kind of hidden, so you have to click the button to open it up. And here is just where you say, please add puff sleeves to item number, and then typically I will just, copy the style number and put it in there. And that's it. Just hit save. And you can do that. You can do add puff sleeves to item numbers and click, all the multiple items, or whatever special instructions that you have for them. Just put that here, and then you go to proceed to checkout. And that's it. Okay, so my dress is done. It has been delivered. So let's go ahead and try it on. Okay, here is the dress. I am absolutely in love with it. It is a fantastic design of dress. I have a couple of these in a different, a couple different patterns, obviously. I stayed with the shawl collar, and of course I did the short sleeved, added the puff sleeves, and it's mid-calf length, and I just love these front pockets. It is just the most comfortable day dress. I just love it. So I will make sure that I put down the style number of the dress and of the fabric. And I mean, the pattern of this is just darling. It's so cute. It's nice, light summer feel. I just love it. So yeah, I hope that this was helpful for you. And please let me know if you try the fabric customization, what you think of it, if you have any questions. I am very happy to help. I've done this a couple of different times. So yeah, just let me know. But thank you so much for watching. I hope this was helpful, and I will see you again soon. Bye.